Greetings from Monarch Network Capital Limited. It's Vineet Gala and I'm a senior analyst from the institutional research team at Monarch. In today's podcast, I'm going to speak on our recent initiating coverage on Shalby Hospitals. The company is a multi-specialty hospital chain and has created a niche for itself in the arthroplasty area. We are positive on Shalby and basis of our research, we believe the fair value is around rupees 320, which merits an upside of around 60% over next 1 year. The current market price as on August 5th, 2021 is around 200 rupees. Shalby is a leader in arthroplasty in India with a market share of more than 15% in terms of surgery counts. The growth drivers are in place for Shalby to increase its current EBITDA base by more than 2 times on the back of maturity of its new hospitals and the implant business acquisition. With best-in-class EBITDA margins and low capex per bed, these are the testimony of its cost and capital efficient operations. Recent implant facility acquisition provides Shalby massive synergies as it is one of India's largest consumer of knee implants, and with Mr. Sushobhan Das Gupta, ex-Johnson & Johnson Asia head of medical implants, appointed as global president of Shalby, the leadership bench strength has been further strengthened. We thus initiate coverage on Shalby with a buy rating and a target price of around 320 rupees. On FY23 earnings, the stock is available at we value the stock at around 29 times, which is an upside of around 65%. I'm sure this brief analysis will help you in taking the investment decision. However, I must recommend you to do some self-research and take some experts' advice before you act on this. An important disclosure from my end: neither me or my company, Monarch Network Capital, holds any position in this stock. Thank you for your patient hearing and happy investing.